If you're looking for a beginner-friendly work from home job, this is a video you want to watch to the end because this website is going to pay you up to $25 per hour working remotely from wherever you are in the world. And the amazing thing about working on this website is that you are going to be trained on the job. So it doesn't really require an experience. So anyone can work on this website. Okay, the name of the website is Stellar. As you guys can see here, find flexible work for your unique skills. You're going to contribute to improving AI. You're going to earn $25 per hour plus with flexible working hours. And here are some skills, okay, you should possess. Okay, as you guys can see here, they have maths, history, law, humanities, creative art, programming languages, sciences, digital literacy, okay, and creative writing. They employ people with diverse skills and knowledge. So on this platform, you can work from home. Okay, they have straightforward hourly rates, no previous experience needed, right? You can work as much as you want, and they have diverse tasks. Okay, so as you guys can see here, typical tasks are you're going to create tasks for general AI agents, you're going to create tasks for coding AI agents, and also expert rubrics. Remember I said you're going to be trained on the job, so no matter your skill, okay, you're still going to be trained on the job, right? So to get started, you're going to do the skill match test so that you can be able to get the best suited project. Okay, you're going to complete tasks when it suits you, and you're going to get competitive pay rate on a weekly basis. So they pay on a weekly basis. Before I go to show you how you can apply for this job, we are going to look at the frequently asked questions so you can have an idea, okay, on how you can apply for this job. Okay, number one frequently asked question here is, what kind of work, okay, do this platform offer? So they offer flexible project-based work in data annotation and AI training. So unlike fixed full-time or part-time jobs or fixed-term contract work, annotators who work with them have open-ended contracts with no required schedule or set contract duration. So you can choose to annotate when projects are available and when it fits your life. Okay, their platform is designed for self-service, so you can control your workflow, access resources as needed, and build valuable experience in the growing AI industry at your own pace. So whether you are seeking supplemental income, hands-on training with AI, or you're engaging challenges in a fast-growing field, Stellar gives you the flexibility to meaningfully contribute to creating the next generation of AI technology in your own time. So the next question is, what are the requirements to work with them? Basic requirements include being 18 years or older, a reliable internet connection, strong attention to details, fluency in English, PayPal account so that they can pay you. So you need to have a PayPal account. That is their payment method. Then next question here is this a full-time position? No. Stellar offers open-ended contract work, not a full-time employment. So this means no fixed schedule or hours, no set end date, and it's tax-based, okay? And also it's independent contracting, like you operate as self-employed with the freedom to accept tasks that fits your availability and workload preferences. So this arrangement is ideal if you're looking for flexibility, supplemental income, or project-based work rather than a transitional full-time or part-time job. Do you need to quit your current job? They said no. The opportunities are flexible. The only thing to keep in mind is that you are responsible for making sure their work doesn't conflict with any agreements you may already have with other employers, such as non-compete or outside work policies. Okay, so most people are able to participate without any issues, but if you are unsure, it's always a good idea to double check your existing contract or policies. Do you need previous experience? They said while experience is valuable, they provide comprehensive training for most projects. So what's most important is your ability to learn quickly and maintain a high quality standard. Remember I said you mustn't have an experience. So this is an entry level job. Okay, you can just take up and learn on the job and start doing what they want, right? Now, how do you join Stellar Annotation Pool? Okay, so the process to join their applicant pool typically involves sharing a bit about yourself, your interest and your skills, completing skill match tests, okay, reviewing and signing contract agreement, setting up your payment information. So that is how you can join. When will you hear about the results of your application and the skill match test? If you've applied to join the annotator pool, they're thanking you and they said their work is project based and it depends on client demand, which means they review skill match tests and onboard annotators from the annotator pool, okay, on a rolling basis, matching their skills and experience. So there is no estimated or set time frame between joining and the annotator pool and being onboarded, okay, to your first project. So since onboarding depends on the specific needs of each project and how your skill and experience align, they are not able to provide updates or estimates in advance, okay? So if you haven't heard from them, don't worry. If and when a suitable project becomes available, they will get in touch. The next question is, how much can you expect to earn, right? They said their base rate is $25 an hour, although earnings vary based on the type of project, so your efficiency also and the number of hours you choose to work. So rates may fluctuate based on project demand, with higher rates sometimes offered for urgent or high priority tasks, right? So they will provide specific rate information during the application process for individual projects. The last question here says, do you provide training? They said yes, they provide comprehensive and self-service training materials and guidelines for each project. So they also have, their own forum where you can interact with fellow annotators, reviewers, and the Stellar team. So it's a great place to ask project-related questions, receive answers, and contribute to their Stellar community. Okay, so this is just a whole lot that you can just take advantage of. So I decided to, go through this so that you can be able to see this for yourself. So the next thing you're going to do is to explore jobs so that you know the particular jobs, okay, they're advertising and the one you could fit in, right? So you go to explore jobs, then you click on explore jobs. So when you click on explore jobs, it will take you to this particular place. So here you're going to find the perfect role that matches your skills and aspiration. The first one here is senior software engineer and they pay $70 to $100 per hour. Okay, here second one here is machine learning engineer, they pay $80 to $120 per hour. Okay, junior software engineer, they pay $35 to $70 per hour. The last one is generalist, they pay $25 plus per hour. Okay, so for you to actually see more or know details about each of these jobs, you're going to see where they wrote, okay, view details. So let's check this particular one, generalist. Okay, let's go to view details, then you click. So when you click on view details, depending on the particular one, okay, you are interested in or you fit in, you're going to see every details about that particular job, like what they are looking for, okay, and the opportunities, okay, and how you can apply. As you guys can see, for the generalist position, okay, they are looking for versatile individual who bring diverse skills and experience to their team. So as a generalist, you will have the opportunity to work across various domains and contribute to multiple aspects of their project. So they are looking for adaptability, that is ability to work on different types of tasks and projects. They are looking for somebody that learns quickly, okay, that is enthusiasm for picking up new skills and technologies, somebody that have problem solving skills, looking for creative approach to challenge across various domains. Then communication, somebody that has good communication skill, clear and effective collaboration with team members. Okay, this position is perfect for you if you have a broad range of skills and interests, you enjoy variety in your work, you are still exploring your career specialization, you bring unique combinations of expertise, you don't see yourself fitting neatly into other specific roles. Okay, the opportunities. So as a generalist, you will have the chance to work on diverse projects, discover your strengths and interests, develop expertise in multiple areas, shape your role based on your capabilities, then transition to specialized position as you grow. So to apply for this position, you're going to be going here, okay, to click on apply for this position. Okay, so once you tap on apply for this position, it will take you to where you can register, okay, and get started. So to register, you are going to fill in your email address, okay, here, your password, you confirm your password, you confirm you're not a robot, then you click here that says register to get started. Okay, remember you're going to pass through a test. We're going to fill in some information, okay, so just to for them to know whether you can actually fit in into the particular position they are looking for, or what they actually want. That is just all about this opportunity. And one thing I like about this job is that you can be trained and you can get paid as well. You'll be trained, okay, to train AI. If you know that AI has come to stay, so this job is something you shouldn't sleep on, okay, especially if you are starting out, on the online space. You are trying to, start out with remote kind of jobs, entry level, jobs you can start with, okay, and you can scale from there. Okay, so that is just about it. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one.